I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Yeah, yeah. Been at, boys. Me and my bros do roll new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah.
Okay, the first exercise of today is barbell Van Gelder hold. Since I have a slight wrist injury here on the outside, I can't do planche progressions with my wrist like this. So I just go for barbell or weight alternatives, as you will see. And for that, I want to explain you a small detail that is necessary if you're working with straight arm skills, and that is the difference here. Let me focus on the arms. When you're working with straight arm skills, what I often notice is that people are passively extending their arms. So they're engaging the triceps here to really get that arm extended, and the biceps is just passively stretched and not under tension. Whenever you're approaching a straight arm element, you should make sure that your biceps is flexed as hell to really protect, now I got it, to protect your elbow joint. So, passive, active. As you can see here, it's super flexed and everything is tight and under tension here. Passive, active. And whenever you're approaching a straight arm element, make sure you're actively working with a straight arm. First warm-up set with 20 kg on the Van Gelders with a barbell. It's only one of many Van Gelder variations out there, so this is like not the best, not the only one. It's just one that I'm using now. And afterwards we will also use another one, a more dynamic approach that I will show you. I start with the isometric one because this variation is a bit more affected by pre-fatigue than the other variation we're going to see. So this is what we're going to start with. And whenever you're going for Van Gelder, I would suggest you to start with your hollow body position. So get in that hollow body position. Start with bended arms and then extend them. Shoulders are deep breath and contract it. And then hold it. Nice. Now we're going to load that up. Working sets today with 30 kg, so 5 kg per side. Or not 35 today, 35 kg, and full times around 5 seconds. With 20 kg barbell, 5 kg plate, 2.5 kg plate here. Let's go, around about 5 seconds, isometric hold. Let's go for another 5 seconds. Next one on the list, front lever holds. Going for an advanced type variation, also just some light holds, 5 seconds with, depending on the set, 1 to 3 seconds buffer. Keeping it easy, just maintenance work in this block for the skills like planche and front lever. So just doing it once a week. Set number 3, again, 5 seconds holds. Let's go. Okay, now the more dynamic Gelder setup, which is also closer to the original exercise on the cables. Just having regular grips here. I'm working with 6 repetitions now on, this is 27 kg divided by 2, so around about 14 kg each side. So you have an estimation of how much weight you can move on such an exercise. And then same procedure, getting in with straight arms, whole body position, straightening up the arms, and then getting the reps in. And the last upper body exercise for today before we're starting over to the Legos. Front lever raises from hold. A more dynamic approach for the front lever. Doing that in one leg variation, 3 sets, 2 reps each. Don't forget to change the legs up, and what I like to use is really keeping some measurement points on my legs to know where the lever actually is, so I can make that progressively. And today I'm gonna go for ankles or heels at knees. Okay, now it's deadlift time. Going for Sumo, 3 sets of 3 at 190 kg. Just did my warm-up or ramp-up sets, however you want to call it. Now it's time for the real work. Okay, first working sets, 190 kg for a triple. Should move pretty easy. As I already said, it's deload, working at an RPE 7 or 3 reps in reserve. So let's make this look easy. As easy as 190 kg can look. Good. Positioning. Racing. Next exercise on the list is a belt squat. We self-mounted it. The dad of my girl made that for me, so shout out and thank you very much. It's amazing. And yeah, how it works, you basically just mount it on the rack. Put the safety pin in And then you just place your belt here, and now you can squat some weight. But first, we need to load that shit up. And this is going to be the first warm-up set. Let me show you something, which is this beautiful piece of equipment. Will be available soon. My first own product, the King of Weighted Belt, coming with a nylon chain instead of a metal one. So no more impingements on your skin. Also, it's so really quiet, which is so fucking enjoyable. And it's loadable up to 450 kg. I hope you can see that here. It will come in another colorway though. This was the last sample. Production just started, so be a bit more patient and then you can get the King of Weighted Belt. So we're just putting that through here. By the way, I put a box underboard, so I can just get better into the setup without lifting it off the floor. Then mounting it on a hay, where I then can squat that comfortably, around about that. And then we're going for the first warm-up set here. Pulling the box out. You can just use this to stay in balance, and you have something to hold on, and then you just squat without any spine loading. $79.5, so close to 200, which is a good working weight. We will squat up to 3 reps in reserve, so probably around 8 to 10 reps, and then we are done with that workout. Going for 3 sets of these, 200 kg, obviously no problem for the King of Weighted Belt. Put it a bit closer though, so I can squat deeper. And the last one. Oh, I love this machine. By the way, guys, tell me if you want to have a more detailed product review video on the upcoming King of Weighted Belt. Then I will definitely show you some details, maybe also give you some insights in the development process. So, you know, showing you the older samples, showing you why we designed what and how we came up with the setup. So if you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments for more details about the belt. Now it's time for squats.